We were brutalised, we were tortured. I've never witnessed such suffering, and nor have I witnessed people enjoy and relish in inflicting such suffering on other human beings as I've seen with the Israelis. And coming into contact with that maliciousness and that evil was the scariest part. We were our whole time in incarceration. That was horrific. I've never heard people scream in such agony. We were bound in this hot, stuffy tent where they were repeating their national anthem over and over and over again on a loop. Ben Gvir came in and paraded around us while people were screaming in agony. Some people passed out. People lost feeling in their hands. People were denied medication, water, and the right to go to the toilet. And he's parading around, videoing this for his social media.
On Monday morning, travelling across international waters, our boat was taken. We were approached by a rib at high speed of soldiers. They pointed guns at us. We looked them in the eye, and for no reason other than looking at them without fear, they beat us. I barely remember my first beating because I was barely conscious. I was thrown in with the rest of the prisoners. I lost consciousness again and I was taken out. That was the first day. They are sadistic, evil people.
At the same time, we were being tortured by Israel and a prison chef, the Irish government, for voting not to sanction them.
Yeah.